Today I'm going to show you how to add bullet points and numbered lists in WordPress the easiest way, no plugins and no code. We're doing it right in the built-in block editor. So log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Pages, then All Pages. Open the page you want to edit and click Edit. I'm using a page called Services. Now click the place in the content where the list should start, then click the plus button at the top left to open the block inserter. Type List into the search field. Select the list block when it appears. WordPress drops in a bullet list with one empty item. Type your first item, I'll type WordPress. Press Enter on your keyboard. The editor immediately creates a second bullet. Keep typing the rest of your items, pressing Enter after each one. Wix, Squarespace, Shopify. When you have typed the last item, press Enter twice. The block closes out and leaves you in a normal paragraph. Now for a numbered list. Click where you want it, then hit the plus button again and search for List. Select the list block. This time it starts as bullets, so look at the toolbar above the block. Click the Ordered List button, the one with 1, 2, 3. The bullets instantly become numbers. Type the first step. I'll use Login to WordPress. Press Enter. The next number appears on its own. Open your page, edit your content, click Update. Press Enter after each one, then Enter twice when you finish. One thing I like here is WordPress renumbers automatically if you delete a step later, so you never have to fix the sequence by hand. Switching between bullets and numbers is just as simple. Select the entire list block. In the toolbar, find the list style option. Choose bulleted list if you want dots, or numbered list if you want numbers. The content stays exactly the same, only the markers change. Nested lists are where people usually get lost, so do this once. Start a list with website and press Enter to make a new item. Instead of typing, press Tab on your keyboard, you'll see the item indent and the bullet shape change. Type Homepage. Press Enter and the editor keeps you inside the nested level. Add About and Contact. Press Enter once more, then hold Shift and press Tab to outdent back to the main level. That Shift-Tab combination is the fastest way back out. Add Blog as a main item, then Tab again for tutorials, news, and guides. Now select the whole list block. In the toolbar, check your alignment options. Depending on your WordPress version and theme, you may see left, center, and right icons. I keep lists left aligned. Centered bullet lists are harder to scan, especially on mobile. Let's put a little more space between items. Select the list block, then open the settings panel in the right sidebar. Scroll down to dimensions. If your theme supports it, you'll see block spacing. I'll set mine to 20 pixels. That is the right way to create breathing room. Don't press Enter extra times between items because that creates empty list items and messy markup. You can format text inside a list item without affecting the whole list. Select just the words you want to change. In the floating toolbar, click Bold or Italic. I'll bold important and save your changes. Use that for a warning inside a list rather than making the whole line bold. Lists also work inside columns. Select your columns block, then click inside the column where the list goes. Click plus, search list, and add it. Type your items. This is useful for pricing sections or checklists because the list stays locked to that column on mobile. Now that your list is working, a few things to keep in mind. Use bullet points when the order doesn't matter, and numbered lists when the sequence matters. Keep items short. For several nested blocks, click the list view icon in the top toolbar and select the right list without hunting through the page. And preview the page on a mobile width before you publish, because indented items can get tight on a small screen. If this got your list working, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments push the video to other people looking for the same thing.